I think I missed it.
There was like fake. It was just like not blizzard. On a
See, look at the factory. It's huge. Hey, so we just got off Alpengeist, which is a hang coaster, suspended
like
coaster.
Inverted,
yeah. Kind of like Raptor, any of those at Cedar Point, but it was pretty good overall.
Yeah, we sat in the back row, so we got all that crazy whipping around.
Yeah, and there was one spot that's pretty rough whip on it.
There's some like real cool questions like flinches when it comes that way.
Yeah. And other than that, it
Really
wasn't
cool.
too bad overall.
Yeah, really cool theming and the scenery's neat.
Yeah.
It looks like you're going through like banks of snow at some point.
Yeah. That part is really cool. And you've ridden Raptor, you said you thought this was
Yeah, I liked it better than
Raptor. It's probably better than like Beijing in Thailand too.
Yeah.
And awesome views all around too.